have to be about just get the ball away. Still on the attack with the throw. And it's going to be a goal kick. In the end, he'll be happy to retreat into the dressing room and get out of this hostile atmosphere. There's going to be a substitution here for the home side. Nasri. I mean, Nasri has played it waywardly here. It's cut out easily. And here's Young. Now for Sorry. And Manchester United are going to make a substitution here. Vidic. Here comes an attack from Manchester United. Good pass. He would have got into the clear there, but he's been stopped in his track. He's tried a shot from long range. He's trying to pick himself up and have another go. Take out the first place of the league. He's never afraid to miss. And he hasn't missed by much here.
Really hasn't been seen him trying to get from those kind of distances and far away.
Teammates giving him some support now. Oh, and the counter-attack has turned into a bit of a momentous attempt to get forward. They've lost the ball. And the referee's given Manchester United the free kick. And Fraser into the header. And the header's a comfortable save really for the keeper.
Yeah, it was a poor effort from the striker and no trouble for the keeper.
The goal kick has gone rather awry here. Straight out of play. Nice to come between the two of them. Oh, save. David Silva. An attempted pass, but doesn't work out. Now the counter-attack could be on here. Well, they were breaking away well, but in the end, the defenders snuffed it out. Sergio Aguero coming forward. Now the opposition have got the ball and stopped that straight away when it was looking dangerous. One or two players are warming up for the home team. We'll see who comes off. And now a goal kick to come. Going to be a double substitution. Leicester entering now the comparison between the two teams in terms of possession of the ball. Well, they're in good position here. We've missed it. Vidic. Kagawa. It looked nice, but the opponent read it. Looking at what? Number 6 minutes to go. It's going to go right to the final whistle here. It's so little between these two teams who produce such an excellent